I'm gonna take a picture.
Hey guys, DadBetter here with my daughter, and today we're talking about how to get your kids to help you with the laundry. Bye-bye. Welcome to DadBetter. This is all about helping dads like us to be better every day in every way. Today we're talking about folding our laundry. The girls have already folded a pile of laundry here. They've done this many times and they enjoy it. They do a really good job at it, and I like to encourage them in that. Sometimes it's slower to teach your kids to do the laundry. They don't fold it maybe as nicely as you would be able to do it yourself. But in the long term, actually over maybe a couple of folding sessions, they start doing so much laundry if you keep encouraging them. You can just start distributing laundry to them and they can be doing the folding. You give them the right amount of laundry that they can handle. Oh, hey, what's wrong, sweetie? Yeah. So you just give them the right size laundry that they can do. You can teach them one type of laundry item and they can master that, and then afterwards you can give them a new kind of piece of clothing or whatever, and they can learn how to fold that too. So we like to start with little face towels because these are nice and square and they're really small so they can fold them themselves. And then we worked up to the bigger ones. So what's this one, Mabel? This is like a tea towel. It's much longer, it's not square, so we've learned how to fold that too.
Yeah.
And then we teach them how to fold the shirts. And how do we fold the shirts, girls? Oh, here's a shirt. Well, this is like a dress shirt. Like a shirt and a dress together. We teach them how to take it inside out. So you put your hand through the sleeve and you grab it and then you pull it out. Want to try that again, girls? Let's try that over here. This one here. You put your hand through here, Joy, in that little hole. Can you show them?
Oh no!
Here, okay, Mabel will show them. Put your hand through there, Mabel. And stick it all the way in. Yeah, and then you grab it. Grab it. Yeah, you grab it, close your fist. Wait. You grab it, grab it with your hand, close your fist, and then you pull it out. And there you go. Now you took it out, right? And so then the trick for shirts is that we say that the shirt hugs itself, and then it does a bow, and it bows down, and then it folds in. There you go. Right? So we could do that with this one, right?
It's a sweater.
So is it the sweater? What does it do?
Stand.
Yeah, it stands up, and then it hugs itself, right? Hugs itself with its arms. Hug here. Yeah, it hugs itself like that. And then it bows down and goes, there you go. It bows down. Yeah. So, you gonna do a bow? You wanna bow down? Oh no, you stand up. And then you go like this. Maybe you go. You do a bow. You go like this. You go like that. There you go. There you go. So that's what the sweater does. It bows down. There you go. And then you fold it in half. There it is. That's how you fold a shirt or a sweater. Do you want to try one, Mabel? You're sure you did it. And then when it comes to the big towels, that's probably the things that I will do because it's pretty long. It's a little bit too big for them. I don't know, can you do a big towel?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can do a big towel? Okay, well let's try that.
I can do it with you.
Okay, we'll do it together. Okay, let's do this big towel, hey? So you gotta get it flat. Get it nice and flat.
Yeah.
Okay, and then get your corner, bring your corner all the way to my corner. Yeah, bring it all the way and then touch corners. Good, okay. So now that we've touched corners, okay, and then you can bring your corners to my corners again. Good. And then we can bring these two corners over here. It's like one big tea towel, hey? Wow, there we go. That's looking pretty good.
Oh, big tea towel.
What do you think? Is that good? Yeah? Alright.
I'll do it.
You wanna do one?
Put all my
Girls, you're doing so great folding. And afterwards, you've got yourself piles of laundry, and then you can teach the girls to place it in their drawers or the dressers. And that's how you teach your kids to fold laundry. Dad Better out.